a man and him wife, you know. They were filthy rich. It was said that the man actually find gold on this very land. But nobody no know where it is. After the man died, the government come and them search all over and can't find it. It was said that this land was haunted. The search never last a week. Him wife did ill. Her bones did feeble. So him develop a kind of fabric to help her. But she never lived long enough to try it. The man gave up and started going to church. But to his surprise, no one called church, man.
How did the man die?
The pastor not talk about him a God and can resurrect him wife, but instead sacrifice the man in search for the gold where him have. But the real treasure was never found. Them say Mr. Craw carry it to him grave.
Drop it. Don't make me drop you.
Me want me goal.